Hi, I'm Gretchen Hirsch. I'm going to show you how to use a ruffler attachment foot. This is great when you have really long strips of fabric that you want to ruffle. For instance, on this dress here, this has tiers of ruffled fabric. It's really gathered, but what you have is at the bottom, this ended up being 10 yards of a strip of fabric. So the traditional method of using the hand gathers is a little tedious for this, and the ruffler foot creates a gathered look really, really fast. So this is a great attachment to know how to use. It looks like this. It's a little bit scary looking, but I promise it's very easy to use. It has a couple different features, and the first one you should know about is these screws in the back. It's going to attach to your machine like this. This hook goes over that little screw arm on your machine that connects the needle plate. You have these screws in the back, and these can be adjusted to make sure that your needle is perfectly positioned in that hole in the ruffler foot to make sure that you don't break a needle. So the first thing you're going to want to do is adjust that. A couple other things you have here. The most important is right here. This has little numbers. It says 1, 6, 12, and then a star. This is how often it makes a ruffle. So if you put it on 1, that means it's going to make a ruffle every stitch. If you put it on 6, it's going to make a ruffle every 6 stitches. So it's pretty much like a little pleat rather than a ruffler, but it's called a ruffler foot. What you're going to do is take a long strip of fabric. You're going to insert it into this little opening here. So there's kind of like 2 layers here. Put your presser foot down and you just start stitching. And I've got this on 6, so that means it's making a ruffle or a little pleat every 6 stitches. So as you can see, I'm already creating these beautiful little pleats or gathers with the ruffler foot.